you for joining our Awakening Mass Meditations, kind of a spontaneous meditation today. The energies are amazingly high right now, so what a great opportunity to come together and connect as oneness and really anchor in these energies so that we may manifest and receive all that we are desiring at this moment. So the first thing that I would like to do with this meditation is really kind of get in touch with the breath, and we're going to go from there. So we have about a minute left till starting time, so just create the space for yourself, breathing, slowing down, just taking some time for yourself today. Let us close our eyes and just be, because that is the most real we can be to ourselves, observing with non-judgment, just letting it flow. Now let us take some breaths together. Now let's inhale and exhale. Inhale again. And exhale. This time we're going to inhale and hold for 2. And let it out. Now as we're breathing, I would like you to visualize your body shifting into a bright golden light with every inhalation. So let us keep breathing and visualize this bright golden light. This golden light is our prana, our chi. It is the life force of everything that we are calling on right now to come to the forefront of our meditation, where the physical body no longer is what we are working with, but the energy body. So let us keep breathing. Visualize this bright golden light. It's almost like a liquid golden light. It is so pure. Keep breathing. Visualizing this golden light brighter and brighter with each breath. You may start to notice now that your body is no longer here and you are just this energy of this golden light. This golden light is full of compassionate love. Now with this golden light that is expanding, you realize that it is also spiraling upward. You, this golden light, you are spiraling upward, riding the ascension wave, moving up with each breath. You're expanding more and more. You visualize now that you are this orb, this golden orb of energy. And you are rising above Mother Gaia. You aren't even doing anything. You are just moving upwards naturally. And as you look down on the earth, you realize you're getting higher and higher, becoming lighter and lighter, more golden and full of love, full of pure light and intelligence. Now as we are rising above our Mother Gaia, you notice that there are other golden orbs that are rising just like you. You get the sensation that others, other selves, other me, other you, oneness, have the same calling. And they too are in their golden orb body, rising up, expanding more and more. All these golden orbs of light now, hundreds, thousands, millions of orbs They are in tune with the light and the love, and we are calling now for all light, love, love, light beings and energy to come in, so that we may anchor in these energies of unconditional love, of inner peace and oneness. To be connected, there is no other feeling, for the vastness of our oneness is infinite. Now you notice all these millions of golden orbs rising up higher and higher, expanding out further, bigger, full of love and light. They merge together now. Our golden light merges together as oneness, forming now a protective shield bubble all around our Mother Gaia, feeling the love now emanating through this golden light plasma that is us. We are sending love around our Mother Gaia as she is in need of our love, as we are of hers. She is alive and breathing, and we need to focus on that when we can, to breathe love and life back into our Mother. She has been giving, and we can give as well. Now with this golden protective shield that is impenetrable of any energies that we no longer need and that we do not desire, that is no longer ours. It was never ours. We are unconditional love. We are enlightenment, intelligence, inner peace. We are oneness. Now, with our golden protective shield, protecting our Mother, with our call sending out to allow love and light and peace only now, we start to notice now a silver cord of energy coming down from our central sun. It is meeting our call, and it is coming down to meet us. This silver cord of energy is so silver, it's like a liquid silver. This now is going to merge with our golden light that we are creating this protective shield. The silver cord comes down and penetrates our golden bubble shield. We now are activating the divine masculine and the divine feminine, merging together as oneness. This is our balance within, our yin-yang, yin-yang. One without the other cannot be. We are now calling on our balance and harmony of all beings, of all entities, that we may now harmonize with the intention of peace and love for all who reside in this galactic solar system. Not just our Mother Gaia, but all around. Now this silver and gold plasma light braiding together, fusing together, creating creation, for this is 0 point, where all creation may be created. Any direction you focus on, it is all infinity returning back to the 0 point. It is everything and it is nothing, all at the same time. For this is potential energy that we have the opportunity to create and manifest anything we desire. For our intentions to connect have never been so strong now We are magnifying our light and love 1,000 times for every one light being. That is amazing. We are empowered when we get in touch with our inside and go in. We are creators. This 0 point field, this nothingness, this event horizon is all in nothing and where we are now. Now, what do you wish to create? What do you intend for all of us inhabitants, me, you, other selves, other yous, oneness? We know what we deserve and what we are. Our true potential of love, non-judgment, and peace. Now with this bright light that we have created to surround our planet and our solar system, we allow this love and these intentions to now go inside to this golden bubble we have created, into our earth, and penetrating inside our earth, going into the core, with our intentions of love, compassionate love, unconditional love, for our Mother Gaia, for others around, for all beings, for all life. This radiates out, and all is able to partake of this energy, this pure energy, the source energy that we are emanating. Our intentions and manifestations are taking place right now as we speak. We visualize the brightest colors on our earth, the brightest green grass, the bluest of skies, the most colorful butterflies and birds, colors you've never seen. You start to notice other types of life as well, of all sizes, pixies and fairies and dragons, all merging together in harmony, where we are activated with love, with the same intention to bring in love. This is our source frequency that runs our system. And when we feed love, we get love. This electromagnetic always at play, to give and take. This time, more than ever, we are magnetizing. When we ask, we receive. We are magnets only when we come from the heart, with unconditional love, with non-judgment. The heart is pure, and this is where the intentions will manifest. Stay in the heart. Notice the beauty around that is existing always. Now, as we bring this meditation to a close, we want to share this light and love with all those who are unable to participate or that are aware of this energy. So how we are going to do that is we are going to bring our light orb bodies that we are, and we're going to find the nearest stream, river, ocean, body of water, and you are going to land your light orb body into this water, where this water now is turning crystalline, activating everywhere with pure unconditional love for all those who are in contact with any water, for water is consciousness and has the ability to be memory when we are activating that with our intentions. Now all the water on our planet is crystalline, full of life, pure source, love. How good it feels to be cleansed in love and light, and to share that with all of those around. Now this water, clean and clear. You notice a waterfall at the end of this river that you are standing under. Your orb body is now shifting from light orb to physical body. This waterfall is washing over you with plasma light, with golden light and silver light. We are activated. We are clear and pure. And we are connected. How good it feels to be cleansed, with no distractions. Where we may focus on what is true and what is important within, which is oneness and love. I love you. I am thankful for you. Now as we come back into our bodies, and move your fingers and toes. Another deep breath. And let it out. Thank you for joining me. What a great meditation it was to connect. Keep this energy alive and intact for the rest of your day. Thank you very much. I love you. Namaste.